How to build a metal detector. Building your own metal detector is fun and educational. While building a traditional metal detector may require a kit or in-depth knowledge of electrical circuits, you can create simpler versions with household devices. The fastest way to detect metals is to use the magnet field on your smartphone. A more well-known method is to use a calculator and a radio to make a metal detector. Using a calculator and radio to detect metal. Tune the radio to highest band on the AM setting. Make sure you are not tuned to a station. You should hear the static tone clearly and steadily. This will allow you to hear any differences in the tone when your device detects a metal object. Assemble the search head. Turn on your calculator. Next, position the two devices back to back, until a steady, dull tone is emitted. You may have to arrange the devices at certain angles or distances to achieve this tone. Tape your devices into the position. Once the calculator and radio are producing the correct tone, you need to tape them in that position. If the distance is too awkward to tape your devices together, mount them in that position on a board. This will keep your search head sturdy and functioning properly as you search for metals. Attach your search head to a shaft. An old broomstick or similar pole will make a suitable shaft. Use duct tape as a quick and secure method to mount the shaft. Alternatively, you can use zip ties to fasten the two pieces together. Use whichever method works best for the shape of your search head. Test your metal detector on some household metals. First, prove that the metal detector works by placing a spoon on the table. Run the detector over the spoon and listen for the detector to beep or give off a new sound different from the steady tone that it is producing. Now, you can take it outside or around your house to locate other metal objects.